Hello, I'm going to show you what I've done with this kit. Obviously you're going to create your own. Probably even I can't do two of them the same, but there's a lot of pretty pages here for you to use. I've combined it with some tea stain papers. So it comes with the main cover and some matching papers. That's them big rounded like envelope. I'll show you this in a second, and loads of bits to fill up your journal. And they're all decorated with these pretty roses. These are pockets for the book. There's some envelopes and a gift bag, and this is 2 photo frames. Basically you cut through these 2 squares and you fold. Obviously you cut these bits first, you fold it and you just stick those 3 sides, and then from the top you can put a picture through. I've put some see-through materials so you can see the pictures inside. And let me show you this. So I've created the cover with a recycled old envelope. It came with a hard back, so I've just trimmed it into size, and I've put some fabric on this side. I didn't want to have any glue because I could see from the very beginning I'm getting it's the stain, so I folded it over and I've put and then I've stuck the cover on top of it. I've used some of the paper, the leftovers, because I had to trim the papers into size, so I've used them as pockets. So this is one of the gift bags, and I've stuck those, basically I've stuck the pattern paper onto an A4 tea stain paper, so then the back side to it will be this one, and then I just trimmed it into size after sticking it together. Here's the envelope here with some bits, some leftovers paper. Here's one of the pockets here. Again, I had some leftovers, so I've used as pockets. Here's another pocket from a leftover. Here's the gift bag. So with a bit of lace, I just created a pocket here, and I've stitched some fabric here. Gift bag, some extra paper I had. I think that couple of the pages I've printed twice. Another envelope, and I've stuck some tea stain of this paper onto the back of this one so it's not too blank, and I've put the stamps in here. And here are the 2 photo holders with side open here. I've put some things that I took out from a magazine a very long time ago. Just 2 curtains that I really like. So this will be here as a constant reminder that one day I should get this made. I then actually put it through the embossing machine, so I don't know if you can see it, but there is some texture to it, and then it actually creates a really nice texture to the to this material here as well. The link for this listing is in the description. Thank you so much for watching.